going to make Indian style curry, chicken curry. Keep watching. So we just add a little bit of oil. Then add onions, 3 onions chopped. Just here it soft. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger, 3 tablespoons of garlic mint. Mix it. Once the garlic is ready, add the tomato, mix and cover the casserole and wait till everything is soft. Our tomato and onion. Now they're ready. Let's add some spices. 1 tablespoon of chicken masala, half teaspoon turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon of red chilli, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Mix and keep this one for 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes, add the chicken. Mix and then now 20 minutes is done.